Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing apps from the home screen on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Removing apps from the home screen does not delete the apps. They are still visible in your app drawer. Removing them from your home screen just cleans up your home screen and makes it feel more organized and less cluttered. Hold down on the app that you would like to remove from your home screen. Then tap Remove from the menu that appears. The app will disappear from your home screen. You can find the app in the app drawer. If you would like to add it back to your home screen, you can hold down on it and tap Add to Home. The app will be added back to your home screen on the last page. You can reposition it by holding down on it and dragging it to the new desired location. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.